Today unboxing is on the Tomica Nissan exclusive GTR Nismo 2020 model. Unlike the mainline, this casting is only sold at the Nissan event and also the Nissan online shop. I purchased this from Let's Play, and similar to other Nismo model car collection series, it comes with a wrapper with a large barcode decal on the rear. Packaging is very consistent with the others in brushed metal background, and you can see the info on the flap. It's a 2020 model with ultimate metal silver in body color. The casting is very clean cut. I really love the body color, I think it's awesome. It comes with a standard factory suspension without any opening parts. I like the gunmetal color on the roof, I think it's awesome. Some details on the front with a plastic insert headlights and GTR logo, which is very clear. And when compared with the mainline release in first color black and regular white, it's totally the same except for body color difference. In conclusion, the Tomica GTR 2020 model is an awesome release. It's definitely a great casting for GTR lovers, and I'm looking forward for this 2020 model to be released in the Tomica TLV series. More unboxing videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!